You don't come to Monmouth College because you have all the answers. You come because you're ready to find them. Here, professors know your name. They prepare you, and they take pride when you succeed. They believe in your potential and push you to think deeper, ask better questions, and become leaders. It's the kind of place where people notice when you're missing and celebrate when you're growing.
Big job interview today. Sorry I can't make the class, but I'll tell you all about it tomorrow.
Learning happens everywhere, in the classroom, around campus, on the job, even outside what you might call the norm. Because the world is changing, and so are the paths our students take through it. Find connection in clubs and athletics. Looking for Greek life? Join a fraternity or a sorority, here where the first one was founded. Graduation isn't the finish line.
Look, man, I got the job.
Yeah, oh my God.
For alumni, Monmouth stays with you. The lessons, the friendships, the purpose you find here, it's a part of you now. Since 1853, Monmouth College alumni have made an impact on the world around them. You could be next. Are you ready for it?